Hello class. Today in maths we are looking at a word problem to work out area. Okay, so in particular for this case we are looking at how to work out the area of a rectangle. Now our question reads, Mark needs to build a fence in his backyard for his two dogs. He needs to know the area of his backyard to make sure it is large enough for the dogs. The perimeter of his backyard is shown below. Work out the area for Mark. Okay, so we have to first work out what we need to do and what it's asking us to do in this question. So it says he needs to know the area. Okay, so it's given us the perimeter. It says work out the area for Mark. Okay, so here's our rectangle and here's Mark's backyard. Now it's got 12 meters length, 6 meters width. Okay, so we know with a rectangle, it's got 2 even lengths and 2 even widths. So if it's 12 meters this side, we know it's also going to be 12 meters this side. And same with 6 meters width, we know this side is also going to be 6 meters in width. Okay, so now we have to look at our rule for working out the area of a rectangle. And we've got our rule here. It says the rule for area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay, so length times width equals the area of a rectangle. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So the length we know is 12. And we're timesing that by the width, which is 6. Okay, so that is our question. Okay, but how can we break this up to make it a little bit more simple? Okay, well first we can break it up into our ones and our tens. So we can times 6 by our ones and times 6 by our tens. Okay, so what we'll do first is we will first do 2 times 6. Okay, so we all know that 2 times 6 equals 12. So we write 12 here. Our second step now is to times 6 by our tens. So that will be 10. Okay, because we've got one 10 unit, which is 10. Okay, so 10 times 6. And we know a 10's times table, so 10 times 6 equals 60. So now all we have to do is add our 10's and our 1's units together. So that will be 60 plus 12. And we know that that equals 0 plus 2 is 2, and 6 plus 1 is 7, 72. And we can write at the end of our question, the area of Mark's backyard is 72 meters. Okay, and that's how you work out the area of a rectangle. Thank you, class.